Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. To permanently delete your Facebook account, on the top of the page you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on the icon, scroll down and tap on settings. Now tap on personal and account information option. Now select the last option, account ownership and control. Now select the second option, deactivation and deletion. Now select delete account option and tap continue to account deletion. Select the option where you want to delete. Now select continue to account deletion. Scroll down and tap on delete account. Type your password. Tap on continue. Now tap on delete account. Your account has been scheduled for permanent deletion.